How to get a virtual credit card for free trials. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you will be able to get a virtual credit card so that you can use this in signing up for a free trial to any platform that you may have. So here is an example. This is UMoney. UMoney is a platform where it allows you to create or sign up for a virtual credit card for free. You can just simply go to your web browser and search for UMoney, and then you can sign up into your own account. You can use your Google, or you can input your email and create your own password so that you will be able to start creating your own virtual credit card here. So what you can do is, on the homepage here, you'll be able to see the different features that you can use with this platform. But what we will focus on here is the bank cards of the UMoney. So here you can, aside from clicking the bank card tab, you can also look into this side right here where you can see that there's a different cards that you can use for, you can have your virtual credit card and also the physical card. So you can click on view details, or you can go to bank cards right here, and then you can simply click on the restriction setup, or you can click on that virtual card, and then once you click on it, you can see that there's a lot of informations that you can look into, since these are the informations that what or these are the details on what you can do using this UMoney card. So when you click on the blue view button, you will be routed into this page where UMoney will either call you and provide you a 4 digits code, or they will send you the message with the 4 digit code so that you will be able to view into your virtual card details. So this may take a while. And if ever you were not able to get any phone call with your phone number that you've registered here with UMoney, you can click on this button here where get new code through text message. When you click on that, it will provide you a 4 digit code through text, and then you can just type it on the box right here. Make sure that would be the correct code. And then once that's fully loaded, you can see that there's the bank details. You have your bank card, your card holder name, your expiration date, and when you click on the CVC, that's the eye icon right here, it will reveal the CVC. So you can either choose, or if you will show the CVC, your card number will be hide or will be hidden as well. So you can just get all these details and then sign up for this trial that you want to go into, and then just simply type in the card details. You can have the account number, the CVC, and once that's done, you can just click on continue, and then you will now be able to use that card number in order for you to be able to sign up for free trials. So here, for example, you are trying to do a free trial, since Canva has a 30-day free trial for new accounts. So you can use these card information so that you will be able to access Canva Pro for free, or you can even use other platforms as well, not only Canva. So you can just fill out the details here. Card number will go into here, the expiry date, and then the CVC as well. Got the eye icon here to reveal that. And then once done, you can just click on retry now. But this is advisable only to new users, since once you already have used the free trial, you will no longer be able to access the free trial or 30-day free trial here with Canva Pro. So you need to use a new account, or if you haven't had any subscriptions yet with Canva, this would definitely work for you. So here, this is another platform where this will also provide virtual credit card for free trials. That's the scribeup.com, where you can also fill out or sign up for an account. But the thing with scribeup is that it actually has a what do you call this? It actually has a subscription fee, so that you will be able to use their platform, so that you'll be able to use the credit or virtual credit card informations. So here I'll try to sign in again with my Canva, so that we will be able to fill out all the details for the free trial that we have. This is just to guide you so that you will be able to get the virtual credit card, and you can see that this is functional as well. Here, so you can see that these are their pricing. You have yearly and a monthly due as well. So you can use either your credit or debit card or PayPal, but in this case, we will use the virtual credit card that we have registered in UMoney, so that we will be able to sign up and create or use the Canva Pro for free. Just click on get your free trial, and there you have it. So once you have clicked on get your free trial, you will now be able to use the Canva Pro for free or without signing up your own credit card details. So you can definitely use these virtual credit cards as well. So here you can see that these are your bank details. You can just go back into your home page, and then you will be able to look into the informations as well on like your bank card details or your account details here, like your address and a lot more. And that's basically it. So all you have to do is go to umoney.com or .ru, and then you can sign up for your own account using your email address and create your own password. Once done, you can definitely use your virtual card details into the different free trials on different platforms. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.